So this is our chest press strength equipment. So designed to give you an upper body strength workout. As you sit onto the piece of equipment, you make sure your back is in contact with the back panel, and we're going to be working our pecs, our biceps and our triceps. You're going to pop your hands onto the handles at the side, and again this is body weight mounted, so you're going to be pushing against the resistance of your own body weight. So as you push your arms forward, you're going to lift slightly off the floor and a controlled motion back down, making sure you're breathing out as you come up, in as you come back down. Okay, so as an alternative exercise with the chest press, you can also hold on to the vertical handles, which are going to enable you to work your triceps that little bit harder with your forward press. Again, controlling on the way down. Make sure you keep those abs nice and engaged and your spine and neck nice and neutral.